There's the chickens working the compost pile. I just turned it, so then they're real interested, because then, then the bugs that are in it are moving around, and then they find little food scraps and stuff to eat. This is their main source of food, my chickens. I don't feed them any, I guess what you would call traditional chicken feed. They're just free ranged, and then they dig through my compost and find the bugs that they need for protein and little bits that they like. Hey, it's raining outside today. Rainy days are kind of one of the hardest for me. They make me feel, depressed. And normally I will try to keep myself busy, do a lot of work. I could clean my whole house today or tear apart a closet or something. But I guess I'm trying to work on better coping mechanisms, so I'm trying to just sit with it and process my thoughts. I think a lot of people can take a rainy day and say, oh, good, I have a day I can relax. The rest of my family in my house here, my kids and my husband, they're really good at relaxing. They're good at taking a day for themselves and having downtime. To me, having a day where I don't have anything to do, or I would just be doing a bunch of busy work or things that I did yesterday that I would be doing again, like vacuuming or something, and just relaxing or just sitting, that feels gross to me. That feels like a waste of a day. It feels lazy. I don't really know how to just be. I'm trying to work through that if I don't accomplish a lot, or if I don't get a list of things done in a day, that I still had a good day. That, like I talked about in my self-worth video, that I still have value. I didn't really have any plans for today, as far as going anywhere or certain things I wanted to get done, because I knew from the forecast it was going to rain. But lately, these rainy days just really keep me cooped up, and then I have to kind of sit with my thoughts, and my therapist wants me to actually think through those thoughts instead of trying to stop them. So I guess that's what I'm working on right now. And she thought it would be a good idea for me to either journal, which I'm terrible at. I don't like journaling. When I do it, I feel like it's a spiraling, nonsensical, non-helpful thing. For me, a lot of people, it's very helpful. So I thought I'd try it this way, because I can't edit my words if I'm speaking. So, there's Alice coming up behind me. She was a little stray feral kitten that my daughter found, and we brought her in and got her spayed, and now she lives here, and sometimes she likes pets and sometimes she doesn't, and this is about as close as she'll get. She might let me pet her. She's a pretty girl. Sometimes I feel like today, the two words that keep going through my head about this is fundamentally flawed, and I don't know why it's those words, but I kind of get where I feel like it's just always going to be this way. I know I'm not supposed to say words like always and never, because they're just fatalistic words, but I feel like I'm not going to be able to get past this. I don't know how, which is why you go to therapy, because someone else can look into your situation and tell you how to get out of it. So this is step one, sharing this isn't one of my worst days for sure, but I can definitely feel the sadness, and even though my house is full of people and you feel kind of alone and you feel purposeless. And I am sitting on my bedroom floor in front of my window watching the rain. This is where I come to sit sometimes when I feel this way, because my family knows where to find me if they can't, and they know I'm having a sad day. They know I'm sitting here, but it's good for me to get alone, I guess, so I can think, and for some reason this place always feels kind of safe to me. I don't know if I have anything else to say about it. I'm going to keep trying, and I'm going to try to keep listening to what my therapist tells me to do, because what I'm doing isn't working, and I've tried all the ways on my own, and it's not working, and I need to do what she says, and hopefully that will work. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.